Good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook kinamatisang baboy na may pichay, okay? So we need black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, pichay, and then tomatoes, spring onions, white onions, garlic, and then the pork I marinated with soy sauce and black. Okay guys, so we're gonna cook this one first before we add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so that's it. Ready to cook. Look at that one. Okay, so now we're gonna saute the garlic. White onions and green onions. That's good. And then okay, oyster sauce. Okay guys, so now we're gonna cover it so that the tomatoes okay, like that. Already cooked the tomatoes. Nadugmok ng tomatoes. So now it's time for the cabbage or pichay. Look at the pork guys, the tomatoes. Okay, ato sa nigkabiran guys, para kabiran sa nato maybe 2 minutes. And we'll be right back. Patisang baboy na may pitsay. Pinabatisang baboy na may pitsay. Look at, it's done. Look at that one. It's super yummy guys. Okay. 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 I'm gonna taste just a little only. This one lang. Okay. I just want to taste smaller. And then the pitsay guys. Okay guys, so that's our ginisang kinamatisang baboy na may pitsay. Pitsay. Okay, let's taste it. Oh. Pork is very soft. Kinamatisang baboy na may pitsay is done. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbroja, to my Instagram, _bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.